Hi guys, this is NPCN and in today's episode, Batman had Falcon outside, Deadpool 2, being rated R, and the Justice League will. Stay tuned. Starting off with Ant-Man, and Paul Rudd has his own Hollywood Walk of Fame star. Well done, Ruddy. Also, Falcon is confirmed to be appearing in the movie. Going on to the DCCU, or the DC Cinematic Universe, DCCU, that doesn't work as well as MCU. Okay, Batman v Superman will reveal the Justice League, with Henry Cavill as Superman, Ben Affleck as Batman, Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman, Jason Momoa as Aquaman, and Ezra Miller as The Flash. It may also introduce Green Lantern and Martian Manhunter. On X-Men territory, we have Hugh Jackman coming back for Apocalypse and maybe saying hello in Deadpool. Unfortunately, it's likely we won't see Channing Tatum in Gambit. There's also teases about Quicksilver being an Apocalypse. This means we'll see an older Quicksilver. Silver. Also, in 2017, we'll be getting a Guardians of the Galaxy animated series for Disney XD. That's something to think about. It's a long time though, 2017, 2 years. I can't wait that long. And it wouldn't be NBCN without some Civil War news. It turns out Ruffalo didn't even know he was playing Hulk in Civil War until Robert Downey Jr. said so. Also, there's... Wait a minute. That's it? Are you serious? Also, it's being revealed that Deadpool will be a pirate, because wait for it, he's R-rated. Yep. It will be R-rated, and it makes sense. Look at this picture. Look at the bulge. Oh, and also there's been a picture released with him and Negasonic Teenage Warhead. Who? Is that like his sidekick? That's a weird one. That's pretty much it for today, and I'm going to leave you with the fact that since Age of Ultron, Robert Downey Jr. is richer than Tony Stark. Bye!